important. Okay, so I'm going to write it. I'm going to erase it now. Okay, so now how many total coasters can we make? Let's write that.
113,
So,
4,
oh my.
4, 184.
How many coasters can we make? Total coasters. We found it just now. How many? Yeah, total coasters. Thank you. 984. Now, what shape are each coaster?
Round.
It's circle or round, right? So, what is the area of one coaster? Area of,
113.04.
very good. Coaster is 113.04 cm square. So, what is the area of 984 coasters? What do we do?
3 times.
We times them. Excellent. So we are 113.04 multiplied by 984.
So,
Alright, so let's do the multiplication together. The first line, Tang, what do we have? 16. 1 and 12 and 5 and 4. Okay. Second line, Victor. Okay. 3, 4. Okay. 10. Very good. 9. Okay. And third line, twice side, please. What do we have? 9 times 4. 6. Okay. And 3. 3 and
27.
7. 2.
11.
1.
10.
10. Okay. Now let's add all of them. So we will have 6 and 3 and 1 and 3 and 2 and 1. 1. 1. There we go. Where will I put the decimal?
In front of 3.
In front of 3. This 3. Very good. So the area of the coasters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 3, 6 cm square. Very good. Now, not yet finished. I told you this is a long and complicated one. Now, can you remember? Few minutes ago, we found the area of the rectangle. Now, the question is asking, what is the area wasted, right? Area. How do we find the area wasted?
You subtract.
Subtract what and what?
Subtract is the area of the
Area wasted is, so what do we have? We have area of rectangle minus the area of coasters. Now, what was the area of the four?
141,696.
141,696 minus what is the area of 984 coasters? We have it right here. 111, 2, 3, 1, 5, 3, 6. Now, let's do the subtraction here.
Oh no. Because our is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5.
This one?
Come
The one we multiplied just now. You see here.
9, 8.
Here. For the area of 984 coasters. The one that we multiplied just now. You understand? So this one, so totally we have 984 coasters. One coaster area is this one. So we took this, we multiplied by this. So this multiplied by this gave us this. Okay? Alright, now. Okay, let's do the subtraction. I would want nang side. 141,696.00 minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1.36. Alright, I'm sorry. So let me change the color. This will change to 10 and 9 and 5. Okay, and I don't think we need any more. 10 minus 6, 4. This one is 3, nah? This is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Point. 5 minus 1, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the area wasted would be 3046.64. What's the unit? cm square. The end. Finally finish the question.
Yeah.